The world is changing. We are moving away from fossil fuels. Renewable energy is the future. Solar, wind, and storage are leading the way. For centuries, we relied on coal, oil, and gas. These sources pollute the planet and are finite. Renewable energy sources are different. They are constantly replenished. The sun always shines and the wind always blows. This shift to renewable energy is a global phenomenon. Welcome to the age of renewable energy. The transition to renewable energy is gaining momentum. Governments are implementing policies to support clean energy development. Businesses are investing in renewable energy projects. Individuals are installing solar panels on their homes. Climate change is a major concern. The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Renewable energy offers a solution. Solar and wind power plants produce electricity without emitting greenhouse gases. This helps mitigate climate change and reduce air pollution. Another driver is energy security. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, are domestically available in many countries. By harnessing these resources, nations can enhance their energy independence. The cost of solar and wind technologies has plummeted in recent years. In many cases, renewable energy is now cheaper than fossil fuels. This cost competitiveness is driving investment and job creation in the renewable energy sector. Renewable energy offers a path to a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for all. The sun showers our planet with an endless supply of energy. Scientists and engineers have strived to harness this power. Today, that dream is becoming a reality. Solar energy has emerged from the fringes to become a mainstream source of power. Solar panels are appearing on rooftops, in fields, and even on bodies of water. This rapid rise of solar energy is fueled by remarkable advancements in technology. We are witnessing a new dawn in solar energy. At the forefront of this solar revolution is Perovskite solar cells. These cells are rapidly emerging as a game changer in the solar industry. Perovskite solar cells are made from materials with a unique crystal structure. These cells can be manufactured using simple, low-cost techniques. Their versatility opens up a world of possibilities for integrating solar energy. Imagine buildings that generate their own power or windows that double as solar panels. One of the most exciting aspects of perovskite solar cells is their potential for transparency and flexibility. Unlike traditional silicon-based panels, perovskite cells are transparent. This breakthrough opens up a world of possibilities for vehicles and consumer electronics. Imagine skyscrapers with windows that double as solar panels. Picture electric cars with solar roofs that extend their driving range. As solar technology advances, we are witnessing the rise of massive solar farms. These solar power plants harness the sun's energy on an industrial scale. Solar farms are designed to feed large amounts of electricity directly into the grid. They produce no greenhouse gas emissions during operation. They also require minimal water usage. As the cost of solar technology continues to decline, solar farms are becoming an increasingly cost-competitive source of electricity. Among the world's most impressive solar installations is the Tengger Desert Solar Park. Located in China's vast Tengger Desert, this colossal solar farm covers an area larger than the city of San Francisco. With a capacity exceeding 1,500 megawatts, it is one of the largest solar facilities on Earth. The Tengger Desert Solar Park is a beacon of hope in the fight against climate change. Its construction has also brought significant economic benefits to the region. It is a shining example of what can be achieved with a commitment to clean energy. As impressive as current solar technology is, the future of solar energy is even brighter. Scientists and engineers are developing new ways to capture and utilize the sun's energy. One promising area of research is solar panels that can generate electricity at night. Researchers are exploring materials that can absorb sunlight during the day and release it as electricity after dark. Another exciting development is solar cells that mimic photosynthesis. The future of solar is bright, filled with the promise of a cleaner, more sustainable world. For millennia, humanity has harnessed the power of the wind. Today, wind power is experiencing a renaissance as a vital source of clean, renewable energy. Modern wind turbines are technological marvels, converting the wind's kinetic energy into electricity. Wind power offers a multitude of benefits, including no greenhouse gas emissions during operation. It is a domestic energy source, reducing reliance on foreign imports. Wind power creates jobs, revitalizes rural communities, and fosters technological innovation. Giants of the sea offshore wind farms. Offshore wind farms harness the power of strong, consistent winds blowing across the ocean. Winds tend to be stronger and more consistent offshore, resulting in higher energy yields. The expansive ocean environment allows for the construction of larger wind farms. Offshore wind farms have minimal visual impact on communities. Floating wind turbine technology has expanded the potential of offshore wind. Floating farms. Harnessing the deep ocean winds. Floating offshore wind farms can operate in the deepest, most remote parts of the ocean. These floating platforms are tethered to the seabed using mooring lines and anchors. Floating offshore wind farms offer several advantages over their fixed-bottom counterparts. They can be deployed in deeper waters, accessing stronger and more consistent winds. They have minimal impact on marine ecosystems. Energy storage, the key to unlocking the full potential of renewables. Energy storage systems enable us to harness the power of renewable energy sources around the clock. Energy storage transforms renewable energy from an intermittent power source into a reliable form of electricity. It paves the way for a future where we can power our homes, businesses, and communities with clean, sustainable energy. From advanced batteries to innovative pumped hydro systems, energy storage technologies are revolutionizing the way we generate, store, and consume energy. The world of energy storage is brimming with exciting technologies. Batteries, powering the renewable energy revolution. Batteries are at the forefront of the energy storage revolution. Lithium-ion batteries have emerged as a leading technology for renewable energy storage. Homeowners can install battery systems alongside their rooftop solar panels. Utilities are deploying massive battery storage systems to balance the grid. As battery technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and efficient battery chemistries emerge. Beyond batteries, exploring innovative energy storage solutions. While batteries dominate, other technologies are emerging with unique advantages. From pumped hydro storage to compressed air and thermal energy storage, the future of energy storage is diverse and full of potential. These solutions will ensure a reliable and sustainable energy supply for all. Section 1. The transformative power of renewable energy. Imagine a world where the air is clean and fresh, where cities are no longer choked by smog, and where the threat of climate change has been tamed. This is the promise of a future powered by renewable energy, a future where the sun, wind, and other clean sources provide for our energy needs without harming the planet. The transition to renewable energy is more than just a technological shift. It's a societal transformation that touches every aspect of our lives. It's about creating a world where energy is abundant, affordable, and accessible to all, regardless of location or income level. Renewable energy empowers individuals and communities to take control of their energy destinies. With solar panels on their rooftops, homeowners can generate their own clean electricity, reducing their reliance on fossil fuels and shrinking their carbon footprints. In rural areas, wind farms can revitalize local economies, creating jobs and providing a new source of revenue for farmers and landowners. The transition to renewable energy is a journey towards a brighter, more sustainable future for all. The path to a renewable energy future is not without its challenges, but the benefits far outweigh the obstacles. As we transition away from fossil fuels, we must address issues such as intermittency, grid stability, and the need for energy storage solutions. However, with every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation and progress. The rapid advancements in battery technology, smart grids, and other energy management tools are paving the way for a seamless transition to a clean energy future. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in accelerating the adoption of renewable energy. Supportive policies, financial incentives, and public awareness campaigns can help drive the market for clean energy technologies and create a level playing field for renewable energy sources. By working together, we can overcome the challenges and unlock the full potential of renewable energy, creating a more sustainable and equitable energy future for all. The renewable energy revolution is not a distant dream, it's happening now. Across the globe, countries are setting ambitious targets for renewable energy deployment, investing in clean energy infrastructure, and phasing out fossil fuel subsidies. From the sprawling solar farms of China to the offshore wind farms of Europe, the world is embracing a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. This transition is being driven by a growing awareness of the urgent need to address climate change, coupled with the increasing affordability and accessibility of renewable energy technologies. The renewable energy revolution is an opportunity to reshape our relationship with energy, to move away from a centralized, fossil fuel-dependent system towards a more decentralized, resilient, and sustainable energy future. It's a chance to create a world where energy is no longer a source of conflict or pollution, but a force for good, powering our homes, businesses, and communities in harmony with nature. The time for action is now. Let us embrace the renewable energy revolution and work together to create a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable future for generations to come. We stand at a crossroads in human history, facing challenges that demand our immediate attention. Climate change, driven by fossil fuels, threatens our planet's ecosystems. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we inhabit are all at risk. We can choose a path to a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. The renewable energy revolution offers hope amidst these challenges. Imagine a world where the air is clean and fresh, where cities are no longer shrouded in smog, and where the threat of climate change has been abated. This is the promise of a renewable energy future. A future where clean, sustainable energy powers our homes, businesses, and transportation systems. In this future, solar panels adorn rooftops, harnessing the sun's energy to power homes and businesses. Wind turbines stand tall on land, and offshore their blades gracefully slicing through the air, generating vast amounts of clean electricity. Electric vehicles glide silently down the streets, their batteries charged with energy from renewable sources. Homes and businesses are no longer solely reliant on a centralized power grid, but are empowered to generate their own clean energy, becoming active participants in a distributed energy network. Smart grids intelligently manage the flow of electricity, ensuring a reliable and resilient energy supply. This is not a utopian dream, but a future within our grasp. The technologies to make this vision a reality already exist, and they are becoming more affordable and accessible every day. What we need now is the collective will to embrace this transformative opportunity and accelerate the transition to a renewable energy future. The transition to a renewable energy future is not merely a technological challenge. It's a societal imperative that demands the participation of governments, businesses, and individuals alike. We all have a role to play in shaping a more sustainable energy future for ourselves and generations to come. Governments must enact bold policies that incentivize the adoption of renewable energy, phase out fossil fuel subsidies, and invest in the research and development of clean energy technologies. Businesses must embrace sustainable practices, reduce their carbon footprints, and invest in renewable energy solutions. And as individuals, we must make conscious choices in our daily lives to reduce our energy consumption, support businesses that prioritize sustainability, and advocate for policies that promote a clean energy future. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the collective effort to create a more sustainable world. The future of our planet hangs in the balance. Let us rise to the challenge, embrace the promise of renewable energy, and work together to create a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable future for all.